As promised, today we are diving into this very cool, a bit tricky to print, awesome filament, FlameGuard PLA. When I say tricky, it means you have to dial in the parameters by following the guidelines on the filament page. Here is what I 3D printed today. A housing for my USB hub power supply, which gets really hot, and also it being on the wooden wall, there could be a risk of catching fire, but hopefully not. So in Fusion 360, I designed this housing case for the power supply and sent the two prints, one in standard PLA and one in FlameGuard PLA. And as we can see here for the fire test, the PLA melts pretty much right away and deforms quite a bit, as expected. Not safe. Instead, our FlameGuard PLA doesn't melt and keeps its shape. Same flame and same amount of time, which means in case of fire from the power supply for a short circuit, we are safe. Or at least safer, having more time for the plastic to melt or catch fire, which it didn't. And now for the settings. Nozzle temperature between 210 and 240 degrees Celsius. The heated bed between 40 and 60 degrees Celsius. Recommended printing speed between 40 and 110 mm per second. Cooling fan 100%. Closed chamber not necessary. Filament drying is not needed, but mine was out for a while, so I did dry it for a couple of hours. Ruby or hardened nozzle not needed. This was a quick but really fun test to do. Also be careful with the fire, safety first. So what is FlameGuard PLA? It's made from the innovative Florian Thermatech PLA formula, winner of the 2024 Plastics Industry Association Bioplastics Innovation Award. Designed for applications that require both durability and fire safety. FlameGuard PLA is a halogen-free, flame-retardant material that meets the highest V0 fire safety standards, making it the perfect choice for advanced applications such as electronics enclosures, automation device components, furniture finishes, and speaker housings. FlameGuard PLA is an eco-friendly alternative to standard FR-ABS, which contains halogens. Halogens limits the recyclability of the material, often leading to landfill waste, whereas our filament promotes a sustainable approach, offering recyclability and reduced environmental impact. Compared to traditional FR-ABS, FlameGuard PLA boasts carbon footprint (PCF) that is up to 7 times lower, while maintaining similar physical properties such as modulus of elasticity and tensile strength. And this was to show the properties of the FlameGuard PLA. If you want to try this filament yourself, the link is in the description down below. If you do have any questions, please do drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and leave us a like. My name is Alessio, this is Spectrum Filaments, and thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next Wednesday to see how fast we can go with our PLA HS.